is finished. You are at the end of finish. But let me check and I'm going to do one side. Yes. On a popular contract, on a popular different city. Because I want to hear what you have to come with the rubber to APM in a 8 p.m. Only a minute putting in an app. We got this. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5. They got it. They got it. Imagine. Can you believe that? Can you believe it? Oh, I'm Elias Padroconta, or Council lawyer, MAZI Bryce no come, I'm going to go down. See, I live in Aga. Why see my mother because send there somebody from Europe. I don't know that's by Egypt to them. But you send them from Europe. I'll say my boss. About the protest. They want to I don't know. I became like next time. One is not now what I didn't know because I saw the thing now. I got it for telling these people. I got it. Delay is dangerous. Delay is dangerous. I call them, I'm I don't know. When I get in one, when I think I want to maybe I stop. Oh, I'm not like how stop. He said, because some people are very stupid. Some of our people they will get because of their very I can't get a lot. He said, I can't get a okay. He said, I'm going I can see the boat normalized. Yes, Danny. Okay, a boy fine because if I have since the cost in so many. Okay, if I oh my God, down the alpha leader for no, might be after Guinea. Sorry, no, I don't know who can help. I want you to where your sister. Hey, sorry. Oh, from everyone. Yeah. Today, Amazonia government, they are not communicating with us because of Sonia Parawa and Oge NKERE. I'm not lying. That is my witness. Joe Europe can call me on phone now and confirm it. Or Obi, Honorable Obi, any one of you that knows about this thing, call and confirm what I'm saying. Now, if you are awake watching us, we have over 2,000 people watching. These people, 2 of them, they destroy. I told them that this is a treason. You know, Oge said, I am going to resolve it. I'm going to contact them. They will call us back. Till today, Ambassador have not called us back. Till today. Tell me what. And
And we need their access. We need access.
That is what. That is an alliance. That's an alliance that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself created. NKERE was busy. NKERE was busy telling people that me and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are talking. Is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu aware that you have destroyed the alliance he built between Biafra and Bazonia? Is he aware?
Even 2023, again, they supported us.
Sonia Parawa and NKERE destroyed our alliance with Ambazonia. Okay. Look at Joy Irobi is here. She has commented. Look at Joy Irobi's comments. Correct. APM and Sonia Parawa sabotage our Ambazonia and Biafra alliance. This is our foreign affairs minister.
Wow.
She's the one that made this comment.
Yeah, that's foreign affairs. So she has more information. Yes.
This thing is what we call treasonable offense. Bruno, if our country was here already, Sonia Parawa and NKERE will be sentenced by hanging. Sentence. This is treason.
Yes.
Treason on Biafra.
Treason.
Hey. A hard-fought alliance that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu built, and our Prime Minister held it very tight. In our declaration, the first convention in Finland, it was between our Prime Minister and To Ayaba. The alliance was so strong. That is what NKERE and Sonia Parawa destroyed. They destroyed it. Without remorse. And that somebody is on the phone. Okay, if I end the go call, yeah. All right. Okay, if I didn't end this call, if I go ahead, please.
So I want you to know one thing. That this man is the plan B. You people should think back. Remember the tweet that Ngozi Orebeze made. He said that they should ask Sonia Parawa and NKERE what happened to Commander Holy Ghost.
Okay.
And know exactly what happened to Commander Holy Ghost.
Hey!
In a secret conversation between Dada Oramba and Ngozi Orebeze. Ngozi Orebeze made this revelation that NKERE is working with Enugu state government. Do you understand? And she is working with federal. Our people should wise up. Pastor Mama, I told you that a lot of people are going to go down for the sake of this freedom. But at the last, freedom will come. And this is what is happening. Yes. What they want to achieve is this. If through Ngozi Orebeze they could not be able to kill all the commanders, they will achieve it through NKERE. That's all their plan. Their plan have failed. I salute you. God bless you.
I swear on my mother's grave, I am not lying. Our foreign affairs minister is Joy Irobi. She's here. I called Sonny. I told him, Sonny, you have committed a treason. Sonny was laughing. Do you know that one day during our thing? Do you know that one day during our May Day, Sonia Parawa and all the NKERE, they forged an alliance and they pretended and told Biafrans, Sonny Fole. Who were saying, where's Sonny? Where's Sonny? I told them, Sonny is no, it is the planet. After 24 hours,
I was calling. I kept calling for him.
They hide. Sonny just hide somewhere. I know that NKERE covered it. He called a cabinet meeting. Hey, we are looking for Sonny. That was when they destroyed this alliance. So because Sonny doesn't want to face the consequences and answer questions, the form say in don't loss. And that God of Biafra will make you lost one day. They no go see you.
And even when he came on fundraising, he said, all right, I'm here now. He didn't give us any
today. Does anybody know what happened to Sonny that day? Today.
I wrote to him, I said, we were calling for you. Your deputy had to stand in for you because we were called to speak. You were not there. Vam did a great job. He spoke out of his act without preparation.
He said that they arrested him because of Biafra. Yeah. Sonny, who arrested you, Sonny? Who arrested you? You form say you don't lose. This is what you see. They said birds of identical plumage perambulating a similar corrigendum. Sonny Akbarawa or no get NKERE, they are birds of identical plumage. Criminals in Biafra government.
Yeah, what do you think about all the progress you've made so far?
God will bring everything to bear. And when you face the lays under the sun, it's like a pregnancy, first trimester. You can cover it with big jackets. Nobody will, your mom will know you're pregnant out of wedlock. Second trimester, you start covering. By third trimester, you can no longer cover it. Yes. With time, every evil must come. With time, you can't hide it. Nah. Except I worship. You will expose everything. Yeah, so those of you with unclean hands, you can never go into that land that flows with milk and honey.
I don't know this call. Oh yeah. Okay. You know what? I'm going to call you back, this caller, because if I take it on the computer, I don't know who will not hear you. Let me call you back.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
I'm with Mbadama is in one name.
Good evening, ma. Good evening.
Mbadama.
No, no.
I'm not put now.
Okay. Since this one now, the best thing for Brgie government is to kick him out. Since now, since I chop NKERE now, the best thing is to kick him out.
Because for this man to go to this extent, because number one, this now it wasn't on social media. General social media. Jackie the Opoputane, okay, Otago, Ngoza Bugolo Fulani, Urenke, Gage media war, protect him. Now, okay, NKERE, bidon, Gage media war, protect him. Before me will kick also Neal Asak government because still that Navang Baba and a bank order I woefully. Okay, Otago. Now, Able make it the different now, make it with his attitude. Everybody know. Only one nama. That no NKERE my family over Toby. Yana goes all up go to with the sentence. And for Brgie government, they can continue now. Walk now because they take anything easily now because why will even Melangosi will Molako? Because now if you can say men are about to men on ground. Because I had all that says with them. You're very, very prepared because the Afghan cabinet can have a question. I can wear PM my food. And I don't even know. PM or Jida our angels now. Come and the man our angel in an account this man. I walk one as we go for our angel. Hey, Buchasifa. Everyone and they will for but the one came for Africa now fighting battle up to today. Now Biafra see MAZI, the battle our angels now fight for how many months now? Ebe kosi. Capitan na biada cover. So I want to back and there's nothing like I have face. Our leader MAZI now the kind of say we don't care because we cut it off. Okay, man, I don't go once and for all. Chineke make a Obinigwe Azagafia. Ndị fọrọ kita na this in Jema on the genuine ones.
I'm telling you.
Chineke aye kosichara na all the languages.
They should keep them out. They should keep them
all of them.
No time wasting. No time wasting.
Oh, NKERE money for oje me ya.
The same thing.
highest to make some months about to be up, but no one will some months. I wanted a Mazin and a can up, only on a park and multi one side. But I be a modern that much on Japan government in exile, city up and a home. Almost see away Benjaka. And the modify medicine because I never ask I'm there caging my caging. Oh, you know, make it find a Jew, or can get a Jew, can go out of bullet planning, Jeju, because I won't know what back. Yes, it won't jump bangos in our battle to say boast. In one home, what you take out of you? You don't get an hour, but or what if there's no bangos? Anna, but like this. I do me as last Saturday. Why would you wear the fundraiser to go see Camilla for the first time? Come to go see Camilla, obey on. Obia London, Augusta, Obia, I told me Obia Europe, was there on Sunday, Augusta and Camellia, Hedebon. So I told him when I told the Biafrans, Nepanya, Madebanage, who was so quick, one is so near. Now, bye, thank you very much. If you could, Amaka.
Oh, they should kick him out.
John, thank you.
Thank you, caller. Can I take you another call? I don't want to go your message. Oh, thank you.
You should kick these people out.
Thank you.
Why you go?
Donna. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Biafran Sunuga Rotana Odogu they are aware of this account link with the finance committee. Buro new. You know Odogu na communicate. All they are aware. Only go ahead. So I had them Dick and Bangozi be aware. Nifuni na na Odogu they are aware. Odogu they are aware. Where's ya in common email? Can we give you a pass? Oji and yagi non a year run down if on them. Back and Jimana said in one no Taki and Yakali.
My brother.
Okay, so we're call number. Okay, let's do it that way. Let me call.
Because can the madam on our end so
yes, let me call. Okay, yeah, let me call Shima.
Because those young men in May no challenge Yaka. If I funu I don't know what make it. So come on now,
yes,
out.
Come out now.
And
Hello,
Good evening, Mama Biafra.
Good evening,
Daddy Orama. Good evening, Pastor Bob. Because when a contribution,
may I say so in 2 minutes?
Okay. Okay, NKERE kick go way out. Oh, go way and also. Ndị niile so you ugbu a na-aga na-apụta one by one. Ọrụ ụmụ nọ n'ụlọ, hụrụ ụmụ ọma nọ n'ụlọ. Chukwu okike abịa ma a ga-ekwe ka ha metụ ha aka. Ndị ha gbufuru ha ma ihe ha mere ha. Ha setịrị ha ọbụ ka ha nwee ike buso ụmụnne ha. Mmụọ Biafra akụchie ha ụzọ ebe ha nọ. So, John Joroko so n'ụzọ abịa. This John Joroko ekwuburu m ihe mbụ. Ekwuru m sị na sabotage nọ na Biafra ga-efu dịka otu a mmadụ isi eme ọ pụọ ọtụtụ ihe ama ebe ọ nọ otu a ka ha ga-esi efu. Ante ego Biafra ọbụla ha na-use carelessly, mmụọ Biafra ga-eme ha ka ndụ ha niile ghasa akụsa ha ncha niile. Enweghị ọbụla m nwere ikwu. Ha kikigo out. Ha apụgo otu a ha si wee kewara onwe ha apụgo. Ante a ga-anapụgo ha siri bọtụl n'ọnụ. What does that important is not in their mouth anymore. Everything can make nonsense. Happen, I gonna walk and get that. Breaking move up.
Yeah, let's go now. Family, let's go.
You need Abigail Akota on a book and Keteba. Deputy Chinyara.
Okay, bye bye.
All right, Ada.
I'm trying to get.
Let me see.
I'm very sorry.
Thank you, John.
And I don't know.
Because no one
thank you for that.
Because rules is not the most and it's at the end. The only rules you can drop is when we need the time. So let's keep it space.
Hey, you don't get frozen. I don't live in all I did good money, did money, did money. As in your banana, Chineke make a load at half at Cooktabiam. Nisa, I don't know. Ask him now. Anybody that will go, they can only as no go in the man or way for going to the belly. No, you see, can they with an ass nigga do go
You got
them do well, Biafra, Biafra, you may enjoy it in a Biafra, Cabo, Matara, you got them. I like them. Wait for Biafra with a whiskey, how much German drink and I'll see the pussy cake. One able. I go find isi van wee na-asị van ndị mmadụ ga na-eche na ibidoro ịmụ nwa na-etubata ihe na-ekpere nwunye gị ekpere bụ ejima ọmụ ọzọ ejima ka ọ ga-ahụ ọmụgwọ ọzọ ejima ka ọ ga-amụkwa n'ihi na ejima bụ ihe dị mma. A sị m na obi m niile bụ pọlị na obi na-atọ m ụtọ n'ihe niile anyị na-ayọ Chineke anyị na-abịa na nke ada dị ọra mma na-ekwu n'oge niile n'olugo anyị aka at least ihe ọma elugo anyị aka at least ebido mewe a ga-eme ka ọpụpụ ya oluo n'isi otu anyị si na-ayọ oge ọbụla abịa na-ekwu na ụnụ anụ ihe anyị na-ekwu ekene dịrị unu wee na-asị Chineke nna onye mere ihe nke anụ anyị anyị ka otuto niile nsọpụrụ niile dị afọ nsị esi na ego di m na-emebu ọtọmatik na kịta ọ ga-ebido mee okwu ya egen ebidokwa doneti okwa ihe niile wee na-aga ọfụma n'anya ya Chineke nna ka m na-enye ekele na-asịkwa ka Chineke nna mee ka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu pụta ka Maazị Simon Ekpa pụtakwa ka ihe niile gawa ọfụma n'ihi a ka anyị na-ekwu ụgwọ ọbụla anyị na-ekwu na-asị ndị ma na-asị m kwefuru oge nkere na migobal n'ofu ihe na ha ofu ihe na a na-eme ofu ihe ndị ọkwa na-ekwukwe mana sometimes ndị ikwucha inwe ka ị ga-esi kwucha ya ndị nke si na ha na-achị ndị anyị nwa na-achị na Brgie abidokwa na-ada atụkwa mana Chineke nna Chineke emego everything is unveiling now everything na-asị Chineke nna n'ebe bamba nnọkwa Chineke nna ekele dịrị ya n'ihi ihe niile anyị na-ayọ at least ka kịta ka a ga-ebidozi emewe ihe niile ọfụma biko nna ya kwu gị onwe n'otu ị ga-esi mee ka gị na Biafra Unite ka ọ dịwakwa otu nsi adị bifo nke na ọbụnọgwụ ama m na iji loya ị na-ebu iwe n'obi ọbụnọgwụ ọga akọlụkwana ya ka ihe niile dịkwa mma biko nna ya ga-ayọ my request biko.
Ndewo e nwere onye na-afịrị ọnụ n'ịntanetị Eunice Uchechi I na-watch this program. Let me address you because I love you so much and the day mere onwe gị ebere if red flag dị na Ngozi but if red flag dị n'oge Chukwunkere ebere gị na-emere m now in a post to letter CRC chairman idere si na don't know na asị na-echenjiri account ihe niile a na-ekwu ebe nwere esi gị na enweghị akaụntụ a metụrụ aka asị gị na etinyere account officer ka ịkpọrọ I don't know economic finance committee ka etinyere na account wee tinye signature na account na-akọghịrị na-afịeri ọnụ ifere megbuo gị ihe ị na-agụ here Uchechi you are so shameless and you are pathetic ihe niile na-agụ na did you see the second paragraph where you were told that PM gwara oge Chukwunkere ya cancel the meeting o nwere with you people ndị gang members ya ọkpọrọ ha cabinet they are not cabinet they are gang members cancel that meeting. Let me read it for you in case you don't have eyes to read. You are so shameless. He said on June 25th 2025 the PM instructed the APM through the CRC chair to cancel the meeting 8 p.m. scheduled for June 25. He did not cancel it. He went ahead with it. That was the meeting where he heard and said he is canceling this, he is suspending this, and you were there. You are trying to pretend as if you love PM. If you love PM, you would have asked Ogechukwu Kere, wait, did PM not tell you to cancel the meeting and go and meet CRC?
His boss.
What did he ask him to go and do with CRC? So that CRC will resolve this matter with you. He did not cancel the meeting. He went ahead with the meeting, and you expect CRC to listen to you? You are so shameless. And if you are not careful, this thing will backfire on you. That's why I'm telling you. You have children, you have husband, you have a home. Stop behaving like a useless person on social media. You're so shameless. I thought you have sense. I thought that is have critical thinking. That we are here telling you that Sonia Parawa and Ogechukwu committed treason. Our Ambazonia alliance, they destroyed it. So if that one did not ring bell into your ear or into your heart, very useless. You and a Chinere Apple. Nonsense.
Stomach infrastructure.
Finalize
I know the program here on the space. Why are you not answering them? Go there now and fight me now. Go and do saga against Bam Bam Bam. You are here watching. I don't know who is lying. You are so shameless. Don't let I don't know who lay a curse on you, eh?
Don't mind her.
Never finalize.
That woman, with my God, the DOS actually made 30 and Heroes Day. As I gave me, I won't MAZI that day. So, Odia Abataqua in case no Piroka. Will be 1 woman, election will be 2027. It will take in a cabinet. That woman, the woman he opened a cabinet was because I found the reason why he did in that cabinet. Or because was who am I in a government was we don't question and answer. Nanka that mama. Eh? This is a question and answer. Now, call her diplomatic in Biafra Brgie. That woman didn't open at this thing. My comfortable eyes in Nigeria and food on email Brgie. Because now you can't say. Yes, no, I will you. Because before I say man in the cabinet, they was in your profile.
When you can't say in the cabinet.
Na don't do it. Why in the area of don't do it?
Chinyere, you're very shameless woman. I will not go Telegram group about I will be and Kiruka Opito be send Kiruka send to come in and feed.
Come and tell in the cake will be half an angle. Half an hour. No, thank you.
Biko, thank you.
Will only continue.
No, I my book I bring them to end. Come on, before more let's begin to bring it to an end. I don't know how many callers. We have to conclude.
Callers.
Almost 11:30.
Okay.
Caller.
Game up.
The same time.
Hello.
Oh, the same time. Okay.
I'm with Irma.
Yeah, I don't think I'm dead.
I'm not bad.
Eventually, you know, where one as no learning kita well into book because even you have now you watch akita ono gas na ihe na many ndị breeding ma those things by banket I want na pass na to the ego o mekere dey no banket open na factory those we have for them they have to increase your NKERE because now they have to. I need a new face. I need a new face. Yeah, now. Oh, no, they don't kill a couple of years. It's not when you see. When you see the magazine there, unless maybe you get killed, it's automatically. But because now the mistake has been done from onset. What's the next year? Isaiah, I know. People put on the massive behind here. They might forget the long so. From Isaiah, I know of the killer. See, when we are kind of lay down, the most important thing is to work it completely. I'm one day we're going to face. I'm one day it's not bigger after the question. I have to go for real business.
Naza chaguno. Aza pugondo.
But you will eat very people. I tell you, get my voice. Say, can I look people in a never know. Okay, they make it up. If you only put in the stand where you are, don't shake. Stand here, whoever, people will still come back to you. I know them now. So if you need people, because more I don't have to listen, I don't have to a couple. If you need now, she will complete.
Okay, Gina, okay, Kelly, Diga, Kaya,
What to go in?
Enough, even on social media.
Don't worry, all step by step. Big up me and just cool down.
Because man, Madam Odiana.
I want to give you Oya Snana Modiana. In the hand, he had a wagon na ego, in a gather here.
Ada Fozia
account. So yeah, is so.
I will be after. Then you switch my own, even the I would be after Sana. I don't know what to say. Oh, choker can take it. What is standard? So I'm going to go play again.
Gente, well, listen to me. You are a caller. You listen. You are not the one that is handling this program. You have to listen. So, I don't know. Did you not hear what she said?
Even
or better, you cannot better on them. I got you pull your get to Punya to be ego. Again, was the control of the
mistake has been done. The mistake has been done.
Now your time is over, my friend. My friend, let us call and let us take another call.
So now you can have one country on here. If you want a country,
call. Let him stop making noise. Call will take him out of that call. What do you mean?
Thank you very much.
The best.
You him.
Oh, well, you can tell him. We can
don't last like this. Don't pamper them.
You that person, I don't know what. You that person. Hold off. If I be an equal because you're any confusion, I'm not going to boy spirit. You need to criteria Ekwensu will use you. He will indwell your body. I don't know where you feel, but because na family criteria, Ekwensu needed to carry out his duty. The devil will use them. If you go, they can be na ligego. Some will black pelembo. They can Judas. So they zubuego. Not abu treasurer. There's Zuego. On your cage, you will go.
If Onyana will get some $20 now for fundraising.
If I'm I can go Kusia fair. Or tree wamuna, no bodon on your on a civilized country other than this. Impota, Obuna shot and a mother mercy up. you just fire them right away. You might not got to make investigation, man. And with due process, the cabinet they use. Or blood the night, Makanamenka, it just kick any out. After
Mama, can you go to Gaju? Because I focus on this question. Can you go to Gaju? Who will a due process to sack it or sack anybody and sack? Or what that descend due process, Uncle Genken will lead you with sack a bam. Sack a mamma de abo, sack a lubinadi, no, sack a joy Robi. Cycle many people on cycling. Ojokole through process. Waiting on social media. All my questions.
Second, you had the null and void, but sort of bylaws. Second, you had the hollow. Or what a meaning. Or contact is from the oh, what I mean, man can follow the due process.
Because I'm only for because I don't care to this thing because this my brother pocket. I'm a maple Sabia. I'm a maple Sabia. I want to know the man. That man is we all can get the worst. All the worst than goes on a base. Only eventually, okay, now I don't due process. Here, due process. Why you may do process. Jenna social media, if you first on a power name, not Twitter. Jeff, you on a post against the Van. Jeff Lucas, you will put a secret meeting in a cabinet, what then a public. Uno na what due process. Even done, they didn't the cabinet, now destroy. They destroy the government. Oh, only another due process, man. That the problem I would know they can before you made due process. Or to go late. No,
this interview by this time last week, I'm not on it was pushed. I think I made the interview. Can you buy their friends? I only one it was Monday. Next day to again attack. I'm saying nasty. So, where you said your mother this back or dissolve. Someone where you find a akpa. Mbe factor si anya bi so weta. Unu ga got na fan or kete. So we go on the mother bona bada puana Nigeria. Other nations now watch or one day I could get check a fast support town. I don't know the Candia. I ain't Chana Puala. Who will recognize us? Then I shot a fact good enough pull us.
By the time our CRC chairman will come out tomorrow now, or when they will come out, their address are Biafrans. Okay. Biafrans, the kind of things so going to committee and Sonny. Then by the time you have ultimatum, then that ultimatum definitely Logan Kerry will not abide. Then you will see what will happen. It is not something that official. That is open disgrace. The whole world will see it. You not recognize as a nation. Fana recognize and if I recognize human being noble whole charlatans like
only a GMI on the cabinet because only be the man.
I know, but Ada in on a program. Now try to impress you with his you can say calm or down. You are a caller. You make your call, you make a contribution, you end it, and then
one of the thousands near what all the car you piano, see I hold to go to
the worst. Because that number one I talk about some cabinet members who discuss anytime on a meeting, on a live. The cabinet members and when he keep for this live program put to any destiny owner opinion of her. Apart from this one, looking at it, we clear some certain things. We can't allow. But I contribute to something in a cabinet where and they discuss In fact, onye ọ na-kwesị ekwesị inye onye ahụ sanction. Ya emeghe mgbe ọ bata obi elu.
And for you,
also the mmadụ na-akpọrọ ebe a kịta ya tupu na one other guy in court.
Other guy. Now how rude I just say rap God I don't know. Rap God I don't know. That's why I know.
Biafra, na-ekele Van Chineke ngozi unu. Na-ekele ihe na-eme. Na-ekele ada n'owu na ihe ọ ga-abịa gwa anyị. Anụghị ihe ọ na-ekwu because ihe a na-ekwukwa na-ete aka kwesịrị ite aka ya kwesịrị ụwa na ụwa. Onye ọbụla aga ọrụ ga-adazi mechie program because ihe dị ụmụ anụ bịa gwa anyị onye ọbụla kwesịrị ịghọta ihe niile dị ụmụ anụ kwuru ịghọtago. So meeting a emere secretly somebody ga-eje wepụta na public. A na-ajụ ada n'ụwa kedu ihe a ga-eme onye ha mere this time maka na ọ dịrọ mma ịghọtago ọ dịrọ mma ekwesịrị ite care of that person mere that time mgbe ọ na-ege n'ụkwa o since ada ji wee na-ebe akwa ihe na ndị mkpọrọ na program gị na-agwa gị sị na efu this our brother Van na nna watch program ya ebere ya na-emetere m because the guy na-alụ ọgụ n'ime team.
Yes, the
guy, this Van. Or maybe I'm on a social media. Mama spiritually now, and go see here, but in Nama, mutual distance now. But this our brother Van. He this guy that began, this one now for my sister, this our brother now passing through a lot of things. And go through a problem. This thing is Van may clearly what should Finland the butter? Van, you know, Adam didn't go my husband here. This Finland, these guys were better. None of the changes. What that thing, one again. That is what the record to go on. Because you want to go see this guy may protect all these Van. Now, Okono may make a peace. All these Van. This guy may protect many things. This thing they made now. Van, but these people, these evil people, they made this on brother now. When all these things were put on a public. Sonia Barawa no Genkele. Now your program. And my God is saying now Sonia Barawa. I also me at all. Do it now from the out of all of them. Do it as now for now this this our brother here. The spirit of Biafra and any bogo will actually establish and this moneta. Van the ready jable person. Don't know put on the Cobia there is a Cobia Mimos and moneta or Cobia meat and moneta. Van the ready the person. The spirit of Biafra and anime. Look at this our mama put on this old woman. People are about this old woman here. Mama, I don't know. We because many people no age this woman. Now this woman more like Korea comes to Biafra. Then they could be there. Man, some people know about this woman. Where we don't know. Only this our mother. Commanding. Yet to take over Kanka. Now, woman has not about because this woman. No one only my head them. I'm not me. Get a chance in Nanya.
Because ọmụ ife nchọ ka m kwue on air ka onye ọbụla ghọta. Ịma na ọmụ bala akparawa wise one. Ndị mmadụ aghọtara ife njibe anya wise one. During the war, ndị Cross River onwe ụdị low self-esteem fa na-enwe ebe ndị Igbo nọ. Though na Effiong dịkwa high in rank, but ịmago oge agha dị onwe n'obodo na Cross River change la afafa to Iwukem. Can you see Iwukem mean? O mean equality with the Igbos. So that thing, that their dominant gene is in the fun and the Igbo. So idea Monday get coastal. And I'm try the Fakafa and loved. Other than a Kaya and Nupufa. Anya can just wear wise one. Coffee belonged. Obrana now the wise. I was just a snake. Kana pobata emago. So, but that wise one then you love Banyan is here, Chenia Bulugo. Aburo, if I made the bebuka, Father Filna left out. Kafa joiner because I want their mentality before the war. Kafasi with low self-esteem. Ebendi bono, Elodifa Candiba, and Akbabufa. If I make it for change for Bodo. Zaba Iwukem, and it means equality with the Igbos. Can you imagine? That's the mindset. So Akbarawa, if any okay, so you are still with your low self-esteem. Carry it and be going. Green snake under green grass. Slow water runs deep. You see, but you will be exposed finally. Yes. And where you're heading to is not good. The retreat, make a 360 now. Live where you are. You are going the right direction. That's all I will tell you. I sent you a voice message. You never opened it. Maybe you saw it somewhere you read, but I sent you a strong voice message. Yes. Go ahead. I don't know what again. Wise one. Yeah.
Ya ụmụnne m anyị mmadụ na-abọkwu mmụọ anyị anakpa unu biko na anyị elibe nri vamba mmanụ ya aka ame ma jerie nri ka maka mụ na mama nọrọ ka ndị mmadụ kwuo okwu biko. Just cover your camera, go and eat and come back, you know.
Yeah, like, can you hear me?
Yeah, nna m mgbede ọma onugbu na-apụta.
Are you online?
Yes, I'm online.
You're live, right?
Yes, live and direct. Pardon?
Yeah, can I say something?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, is Adono there?
Yeah, she's here.
Okay, now I gotta ask Adono. I don't know. You remember what I asked you earlier when we had this problem? I asked you, are you going to be on that account? You told me yes. But later, I found out that you are not in that account. Now, let me tell you my own version. My own version is this. Both NKERE and the one from me, none of them is fighting for Biafra. I'll be honest with you, 100%. 100%. NKERE, what he be proud that he has achieved. Every time he's telling us that he's going to Washington, D.C., they are not giving Biafrans updates about Washington, D.C. Who knows about this Washington, D.C.? If they go there, they take some damn pictures, telling us that they're deviating from the fact that they are doing this, they are doing that. When he was fighting for this Biafra, 1 week, 3 days, we know what is going on. NKERE is not fighting for Biafra. This NKERE and Nwanyị Promre colluded and sold Obato BA. Let me be 100% tell you the truth. You see the Bam Baba is a good guy. 100% I will support him any day he comes up. But this NKERE of a guy is very cynical guy. I am be honest with you. I am not going to ask Biafrans to donate money for this NKERE. Let them kick him out. Let us find somebody who can fight for Biafra. This guy is not fighting for Biafra. If we stick our heads here, we'll be there forever until Jesus Christ comes.
Yes.
Nothing will happen.
Okay. Are you the guy from Maine?
Find somebody who is serious. Who will fight?
Oh, are you done? When you're done, I need to say something. Let me. Are you done?
Listen, they killed my cousin. They just killed my cousin. I'm not happy. I'm ready to fight anyhow, anything it will cost us. Let it cost us. We've been in this struggle for a long time, and we feel so much. Okay. People are playing games. NKERE and this one probably they are playing games. Putting our damn money in their pocket.
Okay. Listen. Okay. Thank you. Listen. Are you the guy from Maine? Can you hear me?
In New York.
Oh, okay. I don't remember speaking with you. I thought you are the guy from Maine. Okay, let me tell you. We have the website. NKERE was a single signature. He no longer has control. That's why he's fighting like a drowning man. You know, when somebody is drowning, they're flipping, flopping, they see grass, they grab, they see this and so on. He no longer has control over that money. You saw him giving Honorable Azu 48 hours to return the website to him and return every money that went into the linked account back to him. Do you think we will do that? He no longer has control over the money. Is this committee, this finance team, because we have separated finance from executive. It cannot be the...
I would like to suggest something, please.
Let me finish. Let me land. I let you speak. Hello, let me finish. That's rude. I let you talk. After you finish, I'm talking, you're cutting me off. That's rude. That's not polite. Okay. So what I'm saying is that we are taking these things. We started from January. They've been working, trying to get this situated. And finally, they saw that he was not budging. Now they've taken the bull by the horn. Okay? They've taken the bull by the horn. So if you think you won't be donating, then you're not being fair. You're not playing fair. We have done what Biafrans told me to do. And now I am one of the signatories. NKERE does not have any hand in the money anymore. Disbursement of the money, him taking it, whether giving it to the lobbyists or giving it to who, he does not have that control anymore. This account, the two websites are still functional. So anybody can go there, donate, and then there's a link to this account that is being managed by the finance team containing two signatories. There's never anywhere, even in local organization, church organization, where you have the president being the treasurer, being the financial secretary, being the only signatory in the account. So this was what happened. So now it has been channeled. So if you don't want to donate, then you're not playing fair because he does not have control over that money anymore. That's all I will tell you. Thank you.
Can I suggest something, please?
No, go ahead.
Go ahead.
What I'm trying to suggest is this. We have been doing this. I trust you. I trust you. I trust you. Right from MAZI and the camp. Those people are nowhere to be trusted. Can we write a solid agreement with lawyers? And three people have to get somebody to authenticate their legitimacy. Because if those people, if they blow our money, then we can arrest those people. They put as a sign. Because we've been doing this. I trust you. Right from Nandekano. Well, everybody comes, they blow the money, their friend money, they take it and run away. Everybody comes, they look at one from he has seized all the money. Look at it. That is his own partner's stuff.
No, finalize.
No, finalize. We can't keep going in circles. I've told you. So if you cannot trust me, I've been in this state over 13 years. Okay, then I can help you. I can't help you. You're just one person, one vote. Okay? I cannot help you. We took out our time. We gave everybody the explanation, and they got it. And they're willing. People have even started donating. And you're still stuck in the same place? No. You have to get out of that, your high horse. And then you're not in a static world. You're in a dynamic world. Okay? So we've corrected it, and everything will not be corrected in one day. It takes you like 3 minutes to blow down a 20-story building, but come and rebuild it in 20 minutes. Let me see you. It's easier to destroy than to build. So we're trying to build. So you have to have patience with us. We are doing the right thing. We are now on the right path. Thank you. Let's get to
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, ma. I'm making Biafrans all over the world. I'm making MAZI Nanikano. I'm making MAZI Samueva. I'm making all Genu Biafrans, Lego Boga. As a Chilico, Nabiama Bozi, Nini. Anyway, suggestion on struggle and irreversible tour from the beginning. Suggestion come question.
Anna.
Anyway, question gajo. So I mean, looking kidding. Or who's no active prime minister?
For now.
for now.
Government in exile, cabinet, Abebe, side that now. What is I okay. The only thing that make all the matter that no big get will seeing what is going on in social media. An official from Biafran government. I know be hence na Biafran government in exile. Ekube ayayeji fende bloggers on social media and welcome. Thank you, my brother, for your destiny. Hello. Am I engine? If I call to your call, that's not a phone. Am I engine call to your call? I call to because here one way BC it's a watch because there's noise coming out from there. I can just call to.
Okay, good evening.
What to buy is your watch? What to buy is your watch?
Good evening from UK. I don't know. So God will continue to bless you. Yeah, I'm live.
Yeah, I'm live for no.
So yeah, now. How to make the before my judge. Remember DOS here and Nandekalo.
No, this is story.
I put a life for Kona Hadere. All through their ocean, Kaidemana, Naha and Nandekalo. Yes, 8 p.m. What do you PM Nana? The DOS Amama against 8 p.m. na court. Or put a Diakoya. APM no not Fulani have taken over our land. Come to you now. Now struggle. Oh, him no but Toby. Even hala sign of betrayal, the sign of compromise. Yeah, what okay. Yeah, our time of coming together. And when they will compromise, when they not struggle to destroy it. So him now how put that because how change like APM. And when you get people men on ground, or mana godin him and Fulani did take over our land. Mana away and you root haka, Kahamana Hagemia, or the possible how out to them.
No, I just try to get them. I as a movie, I didn't show that now.
Another na security. I can answer that question.
Okay, but
Thank you.
She may all mean I say not we are live. I say not we are here on the air. But then could all with she may may man here to go there on.
If you may
our land, the Fulani are taking over our land.
Before our CRC, Biafran government in exile cabinet make this move in up to NKERE. Here, mother now want many things on about many things. So we didn't NKERE because I want everything now go from my hand up to the account. So even when in the Korean like I come alone. You might die because EG brain it says we go as I on na certain things. We in the care about when
yeah, they are the very wise. Obulu the money so that now Abia may defenders onya meje go boss ego ke buzo napka. So after that ndio za Abia behind. Anybody makobo na Abia sike me defenders onya jilego move egi ki game. So my said I use Ogugu isi chukwu nyere anyị wee napụta anya onye ka o ji etiko onye mmiri na-edi ọwa aka n'ilu ọwa aka ebe ọ na-akọrọ onye ọbụla ozi
Chineke ga-agọzi gị Chineke ga-agọzi unu is well ọtụtụ enwele improvement ihe anyị chọga ha chọrọ ka enwee changes ọwụwụ kamgbe egidere now please enwele changes what I mean so thank you very much good night.
Potakwano Saturday I don't know who gonna eche unu ni na kulo Potakwano
Ambodoma. Hello.
Hello, Tina.
Adam ma was one name chim no no.
I don't know my mother. I don't know.
Oh, thank you. God bless you, dear.
May the Lord is your strength.
Thank you. Thank you.
He said,
Amen.
I guess celebrate again, no?
Chukwu gọzielu m gị nna m ị ga-adị ka echi.
Ihe ọbụla na-achụ gị ihe ahụ ga-atọ ọnụ chụwa ndị iro gị ọ ga-ahụ anyị. Fear not, the Lord is with you.
Yes.
So I'm happy. Adam obiọma dị m ka m nwere ibe biko ma amata bụ ire. Obiọma dị m na ije unu gara ịnapụ oge nkere financial yeah. That's mgbe m nụrụ ya mgbe m nụrụ mebiri ihe a ya program ha fundraiser ahụ na-eme ya na-complain yo nna m anụrụ ebe m nọ m agbachi ibu m gbara sị chai God azara m ekpere ma bụ m gbara wulie elu oh so glory be to God. God has answered my prayer number 1. So I'm happy. So kahun now first step and like now. Another thing I'm chọrọ ka eme as a Biafran. Achọrọ m onwe egere m program Biafran Unite. Yeah, program Biafran Unite yesterday. Onye ndu gara court ọ na-eme analyze. So at the beginning of the program, suggest at the program. achọrọ m ha ga-ewepụta nnọọ ka akụ ọfọ na ndị ekpere ga-ekpe ndị ga-akpọ n'ọfọ ga-akpọ ndị ga-ajụ oge ga-ajụ oge wepụtara ya otu mee program na dịchi onye ọbụla ikwu nke ọbụla ga-eme ndị niile bilitere megide agbara ha nkịtị too much it is most of the land and rise and fight all of them one after the other. Ime ekpere ya ụlọ ekpere ndị ga-ekpere ga-ebe ndị ga-akpa nọkwa na fon kwubi okwu ọtara ihe receive their repercussion because agbara ha nkịtị too much ya dịzie ka Chineke ọ na-ete na ekpere
Pizza ka m ga-agoro ka m rie pizza o.
Ngwanụ mutu onwe gị. Thank you.
All the important so agbalị ame ya ma aga m adị happy.
Thank you very much. Kachifo. Hello? Hello, because mutu ebe isi watch. Which na biko mutu ebe isi watch mutu biko. Mgbede ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma.
Yeah. So just a very brief question I want to ask just now. Can we know this new financial team that's being created now? Do they have any channel to reach out to the men on ground?
No.
Okay.
Guarantee, no. Their duty is just to oversee our money. We don't have any, that's the propaganda they were carrying, that the new team will be dealing directly with men on ground. No, that will be breaching our security. Their security, they will be receiving their funds the way they've been receiving it. Yes. So the new finance team has no business with men on ground. No.
So what happens situations where we release money for the men on ground and the channel is being, cut off? What do we do?
If they receive them, and there has to be confirmation, and that's within the defense team that would handle that. So we must get feedback that the money was properly transferred, and we will have evidence.
Okay. And the very good one again, just to find out, I could see online, one of the letters circulated online, the CRC said our PM asked the APM not to hold the cabinet meeting, but he went ahead to hold this meeting. Yes. I just want to ask, who are these cabinet members that he had the meeting with? Are they different from the CRC, the BAG, and the other people? Who are these cabinet members who had this meeting? And
these are MAZI NKERE's loyalists. You know, in every 12 there must be a Judas. They are his loyalists. He knows what he is doing with them, which I don't know, who I cannot attest to because I don't say what I don't know. But these are people that are loyal to him, and they are screaming their head off, shouting and all whatnot, So we know they are with him.
Okay, because
PM, we are in contact with the PM. The PM knows about this linked account, and he okayed it, and he told them, the APM, not to have that Zoom meeting, and the chairman went and deleted all the Zoom. They still managed to send it to their people, and they defied the prime minister, whom he calls his boss, and went contrary. So there will be consequences. There will be consequences.
So when is the CRC and the bank going to address us? Are we hearing from them?
Yeah, you will be hearing from CRC, the chairman, and so on. They will soon come and address Biafra. I'm just paving the way. Like in the military, the Marines are the best things in sliced bread. What the Marines do, they come, they clear the path, get rid of all the IEDs, everything, and now the foot soldiers will come walking into fight. So I am like the Marines. I have come and cleared, informed our people and so on. Now the foot soldiers that are the army will now come. Army strong. If you're in America, you know the army, they are called Army strong. Marines are simplified. They might be little, but they are tough. Okay? So I've now cleared the path. I've now reset our brains. I've now told you guys what's going on, so you will now understand, and then they will come with further information. I hope that's clear. Okay.
And our direct debits are safe, right? Our direct debits on the account, are they safe? Are they secured?
Yeah, use the old accounts. They are very secured. We have now those old accounts, which had his prime signature, just single signature. We have now linked it to the new account that we have dual signature to transact. So that's why he's smart. He gave the IT guy 48 hours to return it, because now he cannot access it. The password, everything has been changed. He cannot access it anymore. So that's why he's mad. The money now is going into this account. So feel free, Biafrans, go to ipobinUSA.org/donate and donate your money. Go to Biafran government and donate your money. All that money will be linked into the new account. We two of us are managing. And as time goes by, we will be adding more signatories. Yes.
About my standing order, or do I need to speak to the bank or something? Everything is fine. I should just leave it that way.
Everything is fine. Just keep. If you are on monthly thing, just leave it. Let the money just keep going in. Nobody will is touching your money anymore. All that money, he does not have access to it. That's why he's so mad. That money is now getting into the main money that will be accounted for. Yes. And then will be disbursed, because we have a lot of things that we need to use money for. It's not just one thing. We have to diversify. You can't take all the money and be focusing on one and neglecting the others. You have to have a nation first before you need publicity. I don't have to say everything, but you guys know what new nations require. That money, we need it for some of the things. I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys. Because
we need the credit check, we need the credit record. So I think this is the best thing we've done so far. Thank you so very much. I do appreciate it. Bye.
God bless you. God bless you, my son. Thank you.
No, I don't care. I'm not quick. I'm going to
yes, sir.
I'll pick your phone.
And the Kelly
medicine in a major deal go down 8
Hello. I don't know, but I'm always one.
They won them. They were.
Pastor Van on in South Carolina. So, Mago, Emily had gonna chew cool with her mother name is Vake, and then I'll go to cook and I'm just seeking. So, Beacon, France, Beacon, only hencher a word, Yotomoni. I don't know the Blenda, one more than I do platform on my Jana, where's I'm waiting to tell one board. Then yeah, but the government in as a obata. I don't know the leba. We won't naga beba. No, we had a maiden job. Naga, can you hear the thing? Now I don't know why, because where I say, we ban a matter of ma, where they are not control like ITVG gave. I'm an egg. You can behind a messy argument. People who do the matter all over the corner alone. I don't know, so to be a good. Whoever now soon they couldn't get it. What go problem when a government West America can have an album? Where did he could even dream of Mama Baba? Yes, I see that even
network
my age, you can flip up. What is not platform? Why sign I give a ban? I give a home. Now, on about no, we have them when I get visited to know. You see, what I don't want to come and judge you now. Jana. We don't want to give I don't know what I did. I don't know why. Beacon, I don't know one name, I don't know, Chukunandana, Chelamon. Let's say, we have a good achieve maybe house, the Shike. Kuro joke, I don't know, is joke, they said, when your mother don't do Kuman or one as open get no good now. Shike, how do you know the woman to see him? I can't name so never have
oh yes Rapunon Capro Pagana
I will bear hand cat in a toilet. Rizikas gave of town and so shake you, which way. Yeah, I will ask you. I want the kind of time dying with Ang or the woman.
Wow, because we this below hella phone where woman jano you also see can I graduate a phone up whatever. I'm 40. You work as so
yes,
and I major it.
Yes. Or Biafrans, great Biafrans. Lovely Biafrans. Biafrans, I love you guys. I don't even know how to thank you guys. If my body was full of mouth, it won't be enough to thank you guys. Obulo na aroma abuonu omeziji kedunu n'ugwa unu kwanyelu ntata unu zilu nwannu nwanyi ozi okwono ndị a na-alụ ma ndị nọ na cabinet obuno onye aghọtalia we are servants of the nation. All servants kaibu obuno enwere servant spirit ina-alụ nwe ndị a na-enye nsogbu a enwere servant spirit maka when you serve God will elevate you. But on the to elevate themselves before us, because Akawasigolu Moon on Wednesday for Zodinia. It's a diabo. Ugebe look upon Ambabu. Saturday, more even before Saturday, Mbabu on your website. Now, Jen on our website now, but Jen now, Kunya, or when on your gat gunaka, Ununuku, Gene, Kuna, Napoli, Gienya. On 80, Makana, Osias no 48 hours. As well be about 1 okay? On 80, or may exchange go password. So I can't lose here. So I'm still I don't know who na bunu. Namano, Fuebe Madoga, Chile Gunu, Abamonketi, Mbano, Ademi, Agame, Kulili, Makana, what on your not to Onyan not to cast your buchu kike. Mweki Walondo, Nanyando, Obra Mado. We are all untouchable till God is done with us. I don't know who got one and they wish him dead. Oh, someone. If I found wish, return back to them. My call look to Canalo.
I'm going to flelo.
Oh, I nearly got one and and I want to get an I want to if you are shame, maybe now, but my gadi. Na me kwesiri di na ekwu okwu o ifele ga-emegbu onya makana imani ma ato okay aburo mu nyelo onwe ma ro na ndi okay so na chukwu obosi o cho ikpolo nke o ga akpolo mmadu ama akpo na num okay? So bikonu kabana refa igwalunu ngano Saturday pụtanụ na fundraising ka anyị tie mmanwụ ka anyị tipụta ijele okay daalụnụ chukwu gọzie unu ga-adị ka echi ada agwụ agwụ. Whatever comes difficult for others will always come easy for all of you. God will continue to promote you guys. Wherever you step on, you will possess. God is the provider. He is your first, not man. God will always hold you guys, dear friends, with his righteous right hand and tell you to go right or go left. All you need to do is to be obedient. And then obedience commands blessings. So, be obedient to what you're told, and you will see the blessings. May God bless all of you for me.
Mama Biafra, thank you very much. Ajani, Ona Nogo, Osi Wega. One of the Queen Kakolo, Anna Nasim Mukonya, Yabia, Ona Fugi up Potana. And I'm an Obibia today. Oji ezigbo ife and ife anyị chọrọ achọ ka o ji wee bịa obi jupụtara anyị n'aṅụrị omego onye nna ya ozi anyị niile biko unu n'anya unu afọ ka na anyị si were dịrị onwekwa nke agụrụ agụ zuru ezu anyị nwere men Biafrans nwere nnọọ men anyị nwere fa sọsọ ihe a nidiri ka a mara na ha nụ ya n'ihe ha chọrọ anyị na-eme na be anyị bọmba adọrọkwune ma n'ime ahịa so any urgent intervention because anyị si na onweghị onye na ọgbasa ma ọ nwere ike gbasa gị echi anwa na m alaike tụpụrụ nkụta ọkpụkpọ hapụrụ ya n'ọgụ ụmụ ndị mmụọ ana m alaike inye mmadụ ohere si aka o mee ka anyị nene ụnụ ma onye nwụọ ọ data etiri mgbapụta mgbe m chọpụtara na enere m anya n'anya chọke ka mfụ ka o si aga mgbe even before m follow back ana m enyo ha ana mgbe m chọpụtara ka o si aga ka nnọọ that na our government na hijack gị by one individual jidere all the post also nwana mgbe mmadụ ji all the post onye ji all the post ji chie nya kwari na enwere ndị gụkwara akwụkwọ karịa ya nwa na onwe sef hijack government and the final plan deal onye ajide ego madam mkpụrụ mmiri si ebe a hijack ebe ya nwa hijack ebe ni anyị anọrọ ofe onwe ihe na-aga jiri kpapụta mụ na ole mi juice anyị tiri pụta na onye resign and Biafran government in exile nụrụ ifu mgbe unu bido complain ha nụrụ ya and ha nụkwa ya wee mee something no this is government na-anụ onu ndị fa na-achị gọọmenti na-anụ n'afọ obi anyị na-ege anyị ntị so na ahụ emeghị anyị nwa ka ọ dịziri ịbịasa ha thank you by make sure that na onwe ozi ya ejide anyị idonate fundraising Saturday now ana m ebe ahụ ka ọsọ emeji eje fundraising that na ama that na ije ebe ahụ ịkpaso onwe m iwe emeji ya eje because of feeling that man ebe ahụ mana ife ma ihe o represent aging because of that man that job was suspension. I'm gonna about to be that no sabo. I wanna work with Nigerian government. So and they met any now when I'm here now. Or once we did I can whoop here. No one jack I whoop to me. Or so know the genuine. I found the reason why you will change your account. Not to I want to book to the Napi keep Ubu Jurisi or no problem. Or put on social media or mind this day. If the Biafran CH or mind this day, you Biafran CH or more put on social media Bamba because always all the irate. Yana Bondo go beer and on our poor way put a corobish. Ngozi akundum ke yogo. Onye nke akundum ke. So it's like na hijack line and I need to ask no for that. And I can never ask no. Not again. Thank God. The ndo Johnny na position do not take it out the man. Nda chineke wepụta for it. At least ọba tobi epụta kita. Onwezi onye onye. Ma ọkwa moji n'aka wepụ onwe, oji aka wepụ onwe. anyị na-echezi ka bịa na nsọla ya official. So ana m asụ ụmụ aja Chineke ngọziele m onye ọ na-akwado onye ọsọkwa gị jide zụkwa $1 ka iji nsogbu adịrọ mma like echi niile kịta mbịa live ka mgbanye dị webụsaịtị ma etinyekwe onye ọwụna onye ọsọkwa anya ha emekwe n'ifele ine anyị bịa na nsọ na ifere ya emegise ndele mma na nsọrọ gị ya ka anyị bịanụ anyị ma n'ebe ahụ every Saturday anọ m na fundraising because now enwetago m Chineke enyego m the main government nchọ original one authentic enwe ozi njakasị so ụmụnne m biko ọnwụkwara bụ emetekwaghị ihe enwefe mma Biafra kwụ ya etipụta ife mefe mmadụ mma Biafra etipụta m nwa na onwe m ya ebu ụzọ pụta tiwe ọ naghị abịakwa m arụ so ụmụnne m biko na ana m ekene unu si Chineke m gọziele m ụnụ mmaji kwuru mmaji ka chifo na ụmụ aja bam finalize ya ka na-eli
ọ na-eli nne nwayọ ime na ili si nụrọ nne ya ilibe iri ram ike na anabago
anafọ ya
ọ ka kpụkwa ife n'ọnụ
finalize ya ka nna kwuo biko mmejọ
ụmụ Chineke ka chifo na unu emeela. Up to this time, we have 2,500 watching. Wow. That's a good number.
Wow.
That's a good number. So I love you all. Thank you, Mommy Biafra. This number must reflect on our, bombardment of the fundraising. Program. But if you are somebody that doesn't like truth, somebody why is it desperate to the extent of giving people paper?
Or private business kind of, or both the family business. Or the family business.
Be very careful for that.
Be very careful. Be cool.
Inbox to inbox, net and demand paper.
So okay, ready.
There's the billionaire see paper. Chineke yamaru no maka chifono
ụmụ aja mommy
I've been asking that end here with before.
Uncle Paul Cardinal. Yeah, fully now. I have borrowed favorite music. Favorite we yeah, Mama got up here, Kuno Jalarola, Akbogim.
No problem.
Yeah, Wajan, Ada Jackie Jan Larola, Jawar, okay? Yes.
You got life.
Wait,
just struggle autopilot until I become out. Someone not the pilot. Go to hell, tell Elisa we know before.
Everybody. But if you are somebody that doesn't like truth, somebody that likes deception, somebody that likes mago, then this program is not for you. I am sorry. This program I brought for game one. program abụ for you. Ihe ga-eme bụ hit the like button, share ya, on the compound unu gwa ha na vam Ada Diora Mma na a host Adonowu n'abalị a. And our beloved brother Remy Juice nọkwa na channel ya na-stream queer life. And other concerned Biafrans, maybe others will join later. But here channels ngwa big and watch ya n'abalị a. Ada Diora Mma, vam Remy Juice, ụmụ Chineke, ụmụ eziokwu, unu ga-anụ olu Mama Biafra from all these channels. Okay, ụmụ Chineke. So achọrọ m ka m were microphone nyekwa Ada Diora Mma, go introduce herself. Invite our guests and introduce our guests. Then later on, our guest Kusia Azubike, the IT of this Biafra nation, the one who not behind the computer, the one who might have a account to Biafra. That's your local. I Quadra Quadom Biafra. I don't Ada Diora Mma.
Wow, Omajan, ekenemo, nwanyị, kene ikwu na ibe, kene nze na ọzọ ụmụ okoro Igbo ji ide ebube, kene ụmụada na ụmụ ọkpụ, kene mmụọ, kene anya na-anọ ụbọchị na Igbo ji ide ebe, kene mmụọ onwe ya anya, kene mmiri niile nọ na Igbo, kene mmụọ onwe ya mmiri, kene aja na Igbo na kene nna m Igbo, kene nne mụrụ Igbo, kene ndị mbụ na ndị ekene ana Igbo niile, ndị chi ya na Igbo niile, ada mmụọ na-ekene, kene aja na Igbo, kene mmụọ niile Igbo ji ide ebube, ekene Chukwu okike abịa ma ụmụnne nke ka ụnụ da ama na ha siri ụnụ ike afọ m ụnụ na-achọ m nnọọ since yesterday abịa ma life ụla bụrụ m ụla mgbe m tetara ụlọ 11 after 11 so ọ dịgo late. Na ụla bata ada n'oche otu aka si n'ọnụ oche jewara eziokwu niile so anọ m ya nwere ife na-eme because enwetara many messages ada ebe udo ọdụkwa ahụ ọ dịkwa gị yes ụmụ aja ahadụ m onwe ha n'ife mere my son ya bụzi eme ka unu malụ agwa anytime achọla m afọ ha unu enweta message from my son onye abịa na social media unu na-ekwere ife mere mama ya so just mbọsị ahụ na ụnụ afọ m ụnụ amana ka ozi ya esi wee ichie ụnụ ihe ọnwụ ana na-eme m onye eme ka ụnụ mara so adị m happy obi dị m ụtọ na ụbọchị tata because ụbọchị ife anyị na-eme tata otego ncherelie otego and obi dị pọrịna and adị m ready so ife njisi gị na ndị ready o mmụọ ife na-eme mụ na-enye Chineke ekene because anyị si na aka Chukwu dị ya ezigbote aka Chukwu otego a na-ekwu okwu akaụntụ Biafra so everybody na complain now akaụntụ ahụ emeghị otu ekwesịrị isi mee and emeghị in a bad way emere in a good way and emere with all the process ekwesịrị ime wena and the respect dịrị onye ọnwụna inye ugwu na dịrị everybody akwanyere fa na this account and otego unu na-ebe akwasị na Mama Biafra na unu chọrọ ka ọ nọrọ na that account or if all request unu and thank God that request go and secondly unu na-enye kpọmsị na ada mụkpọ Madam Mama Biafra na unu kwesịrị ka ọ bịa dress unu ka ọ bịa na unu ya ajụ ya ajụjụ Mama Biafra ya nọ ebe a tata ife unu chọrọ ịjụ ya unu ya ajụ ya ife unu n'ọnwụ na because this program ọ bịa mechaa adres ebidozie powerful unu ya ajụ ya ife unu chọrọ ịjụ ya ife unu chọrọ egwu ya unu ya agwụ ya because na ọnwụ na Mama Biafra nwoke ka ọnwụ mma akpọ ya isi na-ebu ogidi eziokwu niile mana na be anyị nwoke a nwaanyị adịghị ebu ogidi so ife mkpọzi wa gbara nwaanyị ife ọwụ because at her age or sacrifice ya dị nyawa ọchọdịghị izu ike owere ike niile tinye ya afụrịrị isie during time of ọdịda Maazị Nnamdi Kanu obi gidere nwa ya nwoke ọdịda Maazị Nnamdi Kanu aja n'okwu bigide ele ya obidokwa viwekwa nwa ya nwoke ọbata obi and o folo ntutu ya tasị that no way if no way na ye me afulili see ontre dem we nwoke apụta onye lose na relax only feel joy say ebe nnukwu nne m mama Biafra stand strong ọmụnwa wa adam mmụọ onye ha stand strong vam ọgwụnwa ya ama jijiji ọ na-esizikwa na ụjọ ọdọgụ na-arụ eji ọkwa ụjọ wee pụta njem a doriti na-enye anyị ike weziokwu ịmara nke m dị rit na ikwesịrị ime because na njem a ọbara akwafugo too much onye ewụla ahụ ife mwute na ihe ahụ ihe alịla ndị ife ịmụ ikpe and mmụọ aja n'Igbo na ụmụazị a niile egburu egbu ya abịara anyị ọgụ if we don't fight for them ma na ha nwụrụ na nkịtị so ọ dị mma ihe na-eme kịta ka Biafrans na-enye ya ọhụụ na ọgọdọ nwere ndị be na-asụ ọhụụ na ọgọdọ na-ekezi nsị kịta ka a na-ama ma onye bụ onye amalabago onye nwe onye na ihu onye ọra na-ahapụta anyị na-afụ ha so ụmụnne m mma akwụsị ebe a ana m ekene na adị unu ya afụkwu nwanne m nwoke anya aka ya dị n'ife gbasara our account the same person ahụ ji enu dream time of our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu vam ọkụ ya the same person ahụ ji dream time
the trusted hand in Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nyere account n'aka
ọnyanwa and on the same person ahụ ka ọ bata obie bịakwa ọ continue kwa nweta ọ bata obie now ọ nọkwa gidigba o shake so ụmụ ajani ana m ekele ọnụ ya afọ ha anyị edres ọnụ today vam so were ohere a wee si na-akpọ oke nne Ijele nwanyị mama Biafra nne m imelitiri ya nwaanyị ike adịghị agwụ na mba ọgwụngọ na mba n'ụlọ ka ya agwụ gị nne m nwaanyị nwere onwebe ebe jibe eme na soshal midia ọwụ na isi ike na-agbafu mana ya kwurukwusie ike ka ndị ụmụnta mgbe ji isi ajụ soshal midia ji ga-eme kalịka ji nnefa eme kalịka chọọ na ụrọ gị nwa because na ihe niile ahụ repercussion ya abịa when that repercussion ya abịa ha ya afụko ya dị sure so ọpụnụ akaje niile mere gị ọkacha ọnụ niile a na-akọ gị onwebeghị ifefe ejibeghị gị mee that mind that n'iwu nne mama Biafra upon that you stand there na-ada afọ ya nne m asị gị jisi ike ebe ịma jijiji ada ndị gbuo ya ama jijiji so nne m ana m asị ejigbora ụmụ aja wee na-ekpere akpọpụtara unu nne ka nne agbala ka agbala odogwu ka odogwu nwaanyị gbọdụ ume aka na-abụ n'ọkpa na-abụ Ijele nwanyị mama Biafra nne m ekene m ọmị
enwere egwu nchọ iji wee ka ọmụ ọ ga-ada na-ewu ma ọmị chee ka m weta egwu a ị ga-alaiki dị egwu
nne m ekene m
ka iji egwu a wee ka ọmụ gị oge
Who is that person? Nobody.
Ihe bụ slogan Igwe bute ụzọ these few days. Igwe bute ụzọ si na amakwanụ ndị a na-eze.
Agbara ndị a na-eze. Agbara ndị a na-eze.
Ọ sị na amakwa ndị a na-eze. Yes, so we are good to go. Azu, I cited you in the studio. Okay, Azu, before, but no problem. Okay, so how do we begin this? Well,
Money, dress, Mama Biafra.
Okay, can I see mommy now the big screen?
Yeah.
So, Momo Biafra, here is our mommy. and she's going to tell you why she's here. The title of this tonight is this. Here, let me display it again so that you will see. It says, Brgie leads with transparency and integrity. Brgie leads with transparency and integrity. MAZI Nnamdi Kanu said, if we are not whiter than snow, we buy jazz. So that's why our mom is here with mother's love and with our experience to tell us a little bit of what is going on and then the way forward. So, mommy, where the Lord leads you, begin from there.
Okay, I will first of all start by saying, may the words of my mouth and the meditations of my heart be always acceptable to Chukwu Okike Abiama. In Jesus' name, amen. Yes. Yes. So, Biafrans, you're my people. And I love you guys so much. So, one fuka Mama Biafra no puta. Mana wife, no wife, bailo no tek. So now, if I diabo, is in the alone. Okay, can the banker Makaifa can we can get their calls and about until 2 a.m. Now ya chopu go at 8 p.m. Now ya na lugi okwa na the committee arrow. Now found men on ground. Who is security risk? Now found a reach is the men on ground. On where is fair for? So I want to start by setting the record straight. As of this time we are speaking, MAZI NKERE is still the APM of Brgie. MAZI NKERE is still the APM. Ayamarisa Gadan Ordiniro, okay? Ayamaram Bodobu Gaputa, Ayamaram Bonyandu Gaputa, if I would need Delum, okay? So as of today, another thing about this new committee, finance committee, anyway, anything to do with men on ground. Oh, MAZI can reach if Makano go dogunia or Nyawa. Bonyana success name if so Onwero nka can debunk wanka. So ndio bi na amapo wende kwom no bi na amafakezi mama Biafra gini ogini ifa kan zagida ajuju ugido tubu mbiana be ebe 2 to kuni kwa ebe 6 akana okwa etu iPhone I've been waiting on the Lord maka iga no dili olwa dika Jesus ku na wendi ajo mo ekpelo na da chopo na now fasting and praying na chopo delia. So anamada akwado maka ife chukwu kemo na Biafra bụ ka mbia na ekpelu na nye unu ndụmọdụ from wisdom onyem ọbụrụ ka mbia wee position unu fuma na ekwu position adịrọ m na position o ekpelu mụ nọdụ na ikpele ma ada anụ m ekpegide Biafra ekpelu na-ebu ọnụ na ekpelu fe ekpelu o ife dị mkpa mana mfọ ka agafe ebe mmụọ Chineke edute mmụbịa bịa kwuo okwu mmụbịa gbazie onu so n'ife dịka ka oge nke ndị mbịa bịa na program Ada Biora mma unu nyelụ m ọlụ mbịa anyị kpaba nkata unu si m Mama Biafra aya trọstụrụ Ngozi aya trọstụrụ Oge and unu nwere right ikwu ife ọbụla unu ga-ekwu Chukwu nyere onye ọbụla choice ọbụna Chukwu Okike genye onye ọbụla choice ọ mụbado n'okwu ka ọ bụ prime minister ka ọ bụ supreme leader ga-agala inye mma choice onye ọbụla nwere choice onye akpata ị na-anya fingerprint onye ọbụla dị iche ịnọba n'elu ụwa nọsịa o nwere onye ga-enwekwa fingerprint ọ ka Chukwu si nye anyị individuality and choice so that we will now go with it. If I'm able, I'll be combining English, Igbo, and broken. Makama, no, I know there are people who do not understand Igbo, though we have different ethnic groups in Biafra land, we're not trying to be dominant and then just speak Igbo. So I will speak in broken, I will speak in Igbo, I will speak in English. These demons so they created this false country. My English abola lingua franca, with so many tribes and so on. Now that got but we were all living well together. So I will be combining English, Igbo, and broken pidgin English. So when I speak in Igbo, you don't understand, ask your neighbor. They will translate for you. When I speak in pidgin, you don't understand, ask your neighbor. When I speak in English, you don't understand, ask your neighbor. So that's the way we are going to go, so that we will be fair overboard. So what did I tell you now? Be say the last time when I come here, okay? Una give me a job, una say Mama Biafra, we not trust this person, we not trust this person. Make you create an account with your name. Make we they put money inside there. Tell una say that no good though. I not go do that one. Because them go think say now Biafra money, I don't know who they chop. So I tell una say I go tell people where they for office, make them look into it, and I go come tell una waiting they talk. So after I went to them, you know, anything pertaining to money, it takes a while. It's not something you just go in, bam, it's done, and then you come up with it. No. So we have our charter and our bylaws, which are our guide for doing everything. We just came out of a tumultuous, Ngozi Orabeze destabilized the kingdom. We now had a parallel government with her. So when I came, I debunked it, which allowed a lot of people know what is going on and what was going on in the past. So Ifendia, Buifem Megalo. Well, Naya, debunker. But this time around, I'm coming. What I've come to do, but it was Yanyonu. You know, a mother takes care of the home, cooks the food, makes sure they feed the children, and so on. And the husband will go to bed, the children will go to bed. Mama will now stand, tidy up everything. After I tidy, I mean, before you go sleep, you go inside the house, go begin check whether they lock up door or they no lock up door. She will make sure that they lock them up. She will check the children. There are children who are bad sleepers. Some of them, their leg will be hanging from the bed. Some will have their leg on their brother's neck, pressing their neck. Some will have their neck bent. So the job of the mom is to go there and, you know, was this here for you? Does here for okay, Jeba was here for does here for Omwake, well, Larumo of Mama Cobolia, Elpotano to a funny namane kunimuna coordinate. Okay, so to a call the one. My not an organization. I can now was in you for the ne doesn't ne chibo one de mother na putanilo, ka okwada putanama, emago. So the defend the attack. Bukambia was Yanyon as a neck. Oh, one man can man on our book. In Nejilaka Nitie or Jilaka Pepodebe. Yes. Nada mania Kalikana on way from Edin Janama Pong we are Siando. Oh, my coffin is someone, or Piasiana Messian, or more Codebi, Obulu sweet on ye, Obulu biscuit on ye, well off wing. So nice said the abona. Kampukwa na onwere onye napu MAZI oge NKERE ọkwịa onwere onye wepụrụ afịa na account ọ bụ single signatory. Okay, nyaba account card unu mana enwe website na those two websites can be very functional. So he joined those two websites. I was the link. Now this new link, Biafra government .org, Biafran Republic government.org. So on ya can the mother now confused. Now I create a new account. Open a new account per se. We did not create a new account. The old accounts they got. So the only thing to make sure everything is going on well. How much is coming in? How much is going out? What did we spend on what? So that's the essence of a finance team. If you come to any organization, the executive, they all have their job descriptions. You will not see the president being the treasurer or being the financial secretary. So it's designed in such a way that the job will not overwhelm the president. So MAZI NKERE as APN has a lot to do for Biafra as the acting prime minister. They need to add in your body, Kona Bakwego, Kona Mayo Ewepu, Kona Menka, body too much. So now, Odabaro, I am Messiania, Sick America, Kodi Kif, that we will have a financial team that will put all this money together. We have a lot to do. A nation not beautiful. We have a lot to do in that ministries. So my be about Powabago Kwafa. So now nya kaicho kai malukene ego ne na abata ego ne na apo ayama ka ege si plan ya mano percentage ege nyendia mano percentage ege nyendia mano percentage ege call ali wonye garden neglected. So my son e meifa onwere onye na emegide ibie ọ no fu akpa yi ncha na emunye. Okay, if I buro kamgbe nke Alimatu Abubakar create Fulani account. If I have a Fulani account, if I have an account in the United States of America, every democracy now operates. Every Gabriel aya sugi. So waganya. When I create an account to Ugwausa, we do Ugwausa and we're law. So you said yeah, Buna. Aye, this link egeji wele poko bego nine enwe mmadu na above signatories ima that na inwe account obulo ofonye bu signatory because soli outside na ego shop walo we ogwere ojo there ona na awatch ya mana adi mmadu na be need two signatories onye assign na obu bank the checkbook egosi no two signatures ileba bank asi no phone sign no gije konye nkoso sign kwa. So now if I na agbabido emago ka anyi we mefe na ka di sure na ego a anyị na-enweta na na ama ka o si eje apụ si na eje na-abata and mmadụ na-abọbi signatories a Dr. Ruby Nnadi na Adonowu chetakwanụ na unu si Adonowu ọ bụrụ na asị ya dị na that signatory bụrụ one of the signatories n'obi ga-elu naanị na unu tụkwasị m obi na mbụ onye eziokwu ịgwa ya okwu eziokwu a si na nna m na nne m wee rudatalụ m. Yes. So if you on when is again menu can betray Biafra. On when is again menu can Liego Biafra. Now for 2 years and not 40 years over there. Oh no, be a Drafana, California. Fagabuno, I don't know who one is. So Uno for Panya effect. Where to Pasimo be still Unucho. Car funding a data account. So Nyabi effect and jet. Where's the Cambia wound? No zia funu zilamu. No lugeni. Yana effect is the akitabu. On your bonako, ebo was sotulon ununo. Feeling no comfortable. Be confident that I don't know who will not sit and watch anybody embezzle Biafran money. It's not going to happen. Not under my watch. Maka, I account to God. If I don't know. We got this 73 in November. How many more years can we? If I name if I bomaka, someone you got build new. Now America now could go up on Nancy said and Mamma. Man on what he said he can them mad. Father God, you now remind them. Okay, but also adding 15. I will be do. I probably say I never tell us I got no good. Tell us they get out until I got there. You want to the Leon. Oh, didn't fuck and then what kita? Makano next. Iko boda
for the bride price now. And they wait for the bride price. She know. I don't tell her. I don't ask for it because she never come the beg. After she talked to me anyhow, everything. She never came back.
They beg it because of what she want for them.
Yeah, she came back and be begging and stuff, but